In this video, we are going to show you how to use a VPN on League of Legends. Now, if for some reason you want to play League of Legends on a different server or region instead of the one that you are in, it's quite simple. You just need to have a good VPN to do so, so that you can, for example, if you are in the SEA or Southeast Asian server and you want to play in, say, Korea or China, you can use your VPN to do so. So again, you need to sign in and sign up if possible, or if it's a good free VPN like what I'm using right now. Proton VPN has a good free option, as you can see here. We can change servers, we can disconnect, and so on and so forth. So it has over 130 countries here. All we need to do is go find a server that you want and just hope to God, at least for free versions, because you cannot choose exactly which country or which region you're going to go to. So for example, I click change server, it's going to bring us, this is lucky, to America. Now, I am in Southeast Asia, but if I want to play in the NA server or North American server, I can do so now without any much of the issue that you, well, have if you forcefully play in NA if you are in another country or another region. So after that, you'll be good to go. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.